Hello students. Today we will learn chapter 6 HCF and LCM. In standard 4 you have studied multiples and factors. First we will discuss about multiples. The product of a number and counting numbers are known as the multiples of that number. Or in another way we can say that when a number divides another number exactly, then the divisor is called then the dividend is called the multiple of the divisor, and the divisor is called the factor of the dividend. See, therefore, to find the multiples of a number, multiply the numbers by 1, 2, 3, etc. Example, write the first three multiples of 8. What you have to do? Multiply 8 by 1, multiply 8 by 2, and multiply 8 by 3. Therefore, the first three multiples of 8 are 8 into 1 8 equal to 8, and 8 into 2 equal to 16, and 8 into 3 equal to 24. Then, if a number is a multiple of two different numbers, it is known as the common multiple of those two numbers. For example, 30 is a common multiple of 6 and 15. Why? Because 30 is divisible by 6 and 30 is divisible by 15. Or you find the multiples of 6 and 15. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, etc. And the multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, etc. And the first common multiple is 30. That is also known as the LCM of the given numbers. And the properties of multiples are: every number is a multiple of 1. For example, 8 is equal to 1 into 8. 17 equal to 1 into 17, etc. Second property, every number is a multiple of itself. Example, 6 is equal to 6 into 1, 30 is equal to 30 into 1, etc. Then third property, every number has infinite number of multiples. For example, the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. And the fourth property, every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. For example, the multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. The least multiple is 6 and all other multiples are greater than 6. Now we will discuss factors. The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called the factors of the product. Or when a number divides another number, then the divisor is called the factor of the dividend. For example, find the factors of 15. What you have to do? You know that 15 is equal to 15 into 1, 15 is equal to 3 into 5, 15 is equal to 5 into 3, 15 is equal to 15 into 1. But 1 into 15 and 15 into 1, only once you have to write. Don't repeat the factors. Therefore, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Similarly, find the factors of 56. 56, we know that 1 into 56, 56 is equal to 2 into 28, 56 is equal to 4 into 14, 56 is equal to 7 into 8. Therefore, the factors of 56 are 1, 2, 4, 7, 8, 14, 28 and 56. Then the properties of factors. First property, 1 is a factor of every number. Second property, 1 is the only number having one factor, namely itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number other than 1 has at least two factors, namely 1 and itself. A factor of a number is less than or equal to the given number. What is common factors? Just how to find the common multiples of given numbers. The same way you find the factors of the given numbers in that factors which are the common factors that are called the common numbers that are called the common factors of the given number. And these factors and multiples, properties of factors and multiple, is all you studied in standard 4. Now next part is prime numbers. The numbers having exactly two different factors Namely, 1 and the number itself are known as prime numbers. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Then among this set of prime numbers, 2 is the least prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. Except 2, all other prime numbers are odd numbers, but all odd numbers are not prime numbers. For example, 15 is an odd number, but 15 is not a prime number. Then composite number. A number which is not a prime number is called a composite number, or a number which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. The set of composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, etc. But what about the number 1? Since we cannot express 1 as a product of 2 different factors other than 1 and itself, 1 is the only exceptional number which is neither prime nor composite. Or in another way, words we can say that 1 does not have 2 factors, so it is not a prime number. Also, 1 does not have more than 2 factors, so it is not a composite number. Hence, we can say that 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. But to determine whether a particular number is a prime or composite, we don't have a set formula. For this, we have to perform actual division so many times in order to check whether we can divide the given number by any other number or not. But the Greek mathematician Eratos devised a simple method for finding all prime numbers between 1 and 100. The tabular arrangement of prime numbers is obtained below is known as Zevos Eratosthenes. This method used to find the prime numbers between 1 and 100. First step 1, write down the numbers from 1 to 100 in rows of 10. Step 2, cross out 1. Step 3, encircle 2 and cross out remaining multiples of 2, that is 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. Step 4, encircle 3 and cross out the remaining multiples of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, etc. Step 5, encircle 5 and cross out remaining multiples of 5, that is 10, 15, 20, etc. Step 6, encircle 7 and cross out remaining multiples of 7, that is 14, 21, 28, etc. Step 7, now encircle each one of the remaining numbers. And all the encircled numbers are the prime numbers. Thus, there are 25 prime numbers between 1 and 100. And the prime numbers between 1 and 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97.